This is why I'm not 100% sold on no-till yet. If you have good soil to begin with, I could see where no-till could actually make things better. But this little area has been plowed and tilled religiously every year, and the soil's been amended, whether I've put sand in it, manure, organic matter. This side of the field is just terrible, and it's finally grown grass well enough this year. In the past years, it could barely grow grass. And you can see the color difference just because of the clay. So here's that bad side. As you can see, it's clay, it sticks together real well, and that poor little tractor has a hard time getting through it. The good side, it's still real sticky clay, but it's getting darker because of the amount of organic material in it. And this one's got a lot of sand. This handful's got a lot of sand in it. It breaks up a lot easier. I'm gonna dump a bunch of mulched up leaves on it if I get to it. But the only way you can mix organic material below the surface level is by amending it and plowing it and tilling it in. Otherwise, this clay, yeah, you can create a nice thin, and there's spots in my property that maybe 2 inches of good black topsoil, but after that it doesn't go any farther. But you got to mix it in, and until your soil's good enough. Like here, I could see doing a no-till pretty soon. It's deep enough, the rich soil is deep enough to where no-till might work. Another problem I have is I rotate pigs throughout different fields, so they can eat the weeds and I can poo on it. And pig hooves compact the heck out of a field. Yes, I could get a subsoiler. I think that would help a lot. My tiny tractor, whew, I could go a few inches deep on a tiny, narrow one maybe.